rumors of invading armies and mass destruction are based on hysteria and are absolutely false.
Killed. The war began, but soon begun to live about you. You have to put your house to. The fire of the man is inside. Time is gone, where the worlds collide. Devastation of life. Every last drop of blood, but still, nothing but carnage left. Laid to rest, 5 million dead. That's genocide. Is this the end of the human race?
Unidentified object circling the Earth at incredible speed.
These are blood, burning death, mass genocide, charred flesh of the dead, dismemberment, decomposed, smell the smoke of burning remains, cold light smoldering, punching stench, the rotting meat, eternal Lord, dark to read. In the air you will smell scent of burning death, blood boiling from within. Pain is strong, the innocent, crawling corpses, burning on fire. Nothing is left but charred remains. Of the dead come forth from hell into one that ruled one, rule again. Evil unleashed to consume the world. Signs of the Necronomicon. When the world doesn't belong, life impulses Darkness unveiled, the dream revealed. Violent rage and control, liberation of the soul, history of mankind is written. Your blood But am I insane on the brink of madness, out of control of my actions? Welcome to my asylum. Acid cries for help. Release me from my torment. Conflict in my mind.
I just think it's one goddamn big motherfucking free brawl. Shoot up, kill 'em, bang, stab 'em, crush, slice, kill, eat, motherfucking boiling oil with catapults, throwing rocks and grenades and shit, and undercover shit where you blow crap up and put secret things in people and kind of fuck their fucking cars up, man, with them in them. I say I want to see knife cutting, slicing and chopping and cutting and blowing up, but yeah, you can kind of see it, man. We're gonna solve all these goddamn problems. I say give out clothes and give out guns and give out knives and ice sticks and every goddamn kind of grenade, bazooka and tank, anti-aircraft and motherfucking instructions. I say this free instructions to everybody on karate, sabotage, anarchism, every goddamn thing there could be. I say this free lessons from the time you two on how to do everything that is potentially to kill another person.
From my vision, your imagination, I just do know your definition with new life. But of the dead, call out to me. From beyond the grave, I hear their scream. Insanity blends with reality. Once again, my rage will explode violently. I take your life, leave your body to decay. This is that in my mind. They go bad, out of control. Butchered by my hands, your death was grand. Now the victim's blood must flow. In the end, they'll never be able to catch me. I'll continue my violent killing spree. When my wonder body starts to pile out, as the fear I inspire begins to take hold. What I might do, if my handiwork will take its toll. Involves to kill another victim. Involves to kill. Need to fulfill. Involves to kill. Flash off my knife. Involves to kill. Just like darkness